Exercise 3.3. See, so we'll find the factor of, see, first we'll find the factor of 12. First we divided it 2 and we got it 6. Again what we'll do, so we got 2 into 6, 12. Okay, 2 into 6, 12. Then what we'll do, then we again 6 we divide it by 2 and we got here 3. So you can say that factor of 12, that means factor of 12 we'll get here this this and this, so 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, now what we'll do, say 16. First we'll divide it with 2, we'll got it here 8. Then we again divide it with 2, we got here 4. Again we divide with it 2, we got here 2. So we can say that here factor of 16, it will be 1 2 3 4. So because this into this we got here, and this into this we got here, and this into this we got here. Okay, this way. So we got here this 2, and this and this, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So our factor is this. So our factor of 12 and 16 is 12 is 2 into 2 into 3, and 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then see another example. See, it is number 616. We'll do 16 and 24. See, first we'll find 16. If we divide it with 2, we'll got here 8. Again we divide it with 2, we got here 4. Again we divide it with 2, we got here 2. So our prime factors of this is 2 into 2 into 2. This is, so factor of 16 here will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then we have to do 24. See, we divided it 2, we got here 12. Again we divided it 2, we got here 6. Again we divide with it 2, we got here 3. So our prime factor is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So we can write here factor of 24 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So in this way we find the factors. In this way we will do this chapter. Okay, next we will going to learn about HCF and LCM. See, HCF, highest common factors, that means the highest common factor of 2 or more given number is the greatest number which divides all the given numbers exactly, leaving no remainder. See here, in this way what we'll do, we have some steps. See, find the HCF of 25, 45 and 125 by prime factorization. So what we'll do, first we find the prime factorization of 25 like this, then prime factorization of 45, and then we find the prime factors of 125, and then what we'll do, then we will encircle the common factors in this, and in this way we'll get the prime factorization. In this way we will do. So let us do this in our copy also. Example C. See, we'll do here HCF by prime factorization. Method. See, example C. We have to find HCF of, see, 25, 45 and 125. See here. What will do here? See, first 25, what we'll do, we'll do 5 table, 5 are 25 and 5 1. Now I'll do 45. See, with the lowest it is 3 15 jar, then 3 5 jar. Then what we'll do, we'll do 125. Then first we'll do with not, it will not go to with 3, we'll go to 5 25 and 5 jar. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll arrange them 25 45 125, we write here 5 into 5 into 1. Here we write 3 into 3 into 5, and here we will write 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, now see here, common this and this only. There is no any common factor, so we can say that HCF of 25, 45 and 125 is 5. This is our answer. See, this we will do. Next we will going to learn about HCF by common division method. In this way we are going to learn. So in common division method, what we'll do, see, first we divide the two numbers. Then this number will divide with 2, then this will get, and again this question, and again we divided 2, and then that means we have to take it common. That means common division method. And then what we'll do, after dividing this, we will see that the common, that means the common process of, as long as the number can be divisible by the common factors. Okay, the product using this division is the required HCF, that is the 2 into 2 into 11 is that means 41. This is our common factor, and that this is our not our answer. See, now let us see an example. Now see your example. See, HCF by common division method. See here, 44 and 132. What will do? See here, 44 and 132 will take it. What will do? We will first divide it 2, 2, 2. Then we'll take here 2, 6, 1, 6. Then again we'll do with 2, 11 and 2, 3, 3. Then again it will be equal to done with 11. Then we'll got here 1 and we got here 3. Since 2, this 2 and this 11 are commonly divide these two both, so this is our common factors, and this 1 and 3 will be left since it is not divided by this. So our HCF of 44 and 132 equal to 2 into 2 into 11 equal to 2 2 ja 4, 4 11 ja 44, our answer. Okay, so now we have to do another example also. Now we can see another example also. See, another example. See, another example. See, find the HCF of 55, 60 and 75. Now see, we will do it by common division method. See, 55, 60 and 75. Now divide it with 5. See, 5 11 ja 55, 5 12 ja 60 and 5 15 ja 75. See, other this will there is no any common, so our only one common factor, that only is highest common factor between the HCF is 5. So we can say that, so HCF of 55, 60 and 75 is 5. In this way we can do it. Then we will going to learn HCF by long division method. That means long division method, that means we will divide one number by other number. Okay, in this method what we'll do, first we'll take the one, that means 18, then by 30, then we'll divide first 18 30 by 18, then we'll get the remainder, then this remainder will divide again this 18, and again we will go in continuous process. In this way we will get the answer. See one example. See here, see HCF by long division method. See, 18 and 30. See, first we'll divide 30 by 18. 18 1 ja we got 18, we get, remember, 12. Then 12 will again divide 18 and we get 1 and we get here 6. Okay, and this 6 will again divide 12, and in this will get 2 ja 12. So our HCF is 6, since 6 is the last number that divide up totally this value. So our 6 is our remainder. In this we are going to learn this chapter. Now see exercise. Now we will going to learn exercise 3.4. See number 1. What will we have to find the HCF method by common division method. See, that means 16 given, A 42 and 72. What will do? See, 16, 42, 72. First we'll divide with 2. We'll got here 8. Got 2. We'll got 1, and we got here 2 3 is 6. 1 here 12. 2 3 36. Okay. And there is no any common we'll going to get by 2 or 3. So our HCF of 16, 42 and 72 is 2. Okay. Next we'll do find the common find the HCF by continuous division method. So for this we will do see, we'll do number G. See, number G for 2 number. Okay. See, 90, 120 and 980. Okay. What will do? See, first we will see, this is the smallest, this is the biggest, this is the middle. So we'll do the middle number with the smallest number first. It is 1. We'll got 90. We'll got here 30. Okay. Now divide this 90 with 30. Then we got 3 is 90. Okay. So this 30 is divide this answer totally. Now this 30 will use for the largest number, that means 980. Now divided by with 30. Okay. Now got it. See, 30 3 is 90. We got here 8 come here. We got here 0. Okay. Again it will be divisible. We will got here 30. 2 jar. We got here 60, and what we got here 20. Now this is smaller than 30. Then we begin this 30 here, and we got here 1. So it becomes 20, and we got here 10. And now we do 20 here, and we 10 1 jar. So that means 10 2 jar 20. We got here. So our answer is 10. So our HCF is 10 here, since 10 divide totally all the numbers here equally. So easily, so for that our answer is 10 is our HCF for long division method.